Hey guys, welcome back to Montavue. Today I'm here to bring you the April update. So for this one, we are going to be talking about mostly sales. However, I am going to reintroduce you guys to the wireless 2K doorbell that we just made available on our website. So let's talk sales. First of all, we do have our anniversary sales. So in April of 2017, Montavue started. We are still going strong 6 years later. And to celebrate that, we'd like to give you guys 25% off site-wide. So that is going to include everything except for the hard drives, a 32-channel NVR, or the 64-channel NVRs. But everything else is included with that 25% off. In addition to that, we've also still got some super sales that are going to be going on. We've got 40% off our 8105 cameras. These are highly affordable 4K 15 frames per second cameras. A lot of them have microphone built in as well as 130-foot night vision range. So these are perfect cameras for basically any environment or any use, whether it's commercial or residential. And obviously not everyone needs, super duper PTZ cameras for every single port on their NVR. And that's where the 8105 cameras come in. They are the perfect camera to sort of keep an eye on everything while the specialty cameras do their thing. So again, that is the 8105 lineup, 40% off. That's packages or individual cameras this month. So in addition to that, we've also got the 4097, that's the MTT 4097. This one you guys might be familiar with. I've talked about it before. It is an amazing camera, especially for nighttime color. That's kind of its general purpose. It's really great at obtaining a full color night image using the two lenses on board. It also has a bunch of features like two-way audio, the speaker. You can even do active deterrence siren from there. And then of course it has artificial intelligence and smart motion detect, so that's human and vehicle detection, included also with those notifications through our app. So this is a really smart camera and it is fantastic for nighttime. So if you guys have a particularly dark environment and you'd like to see it in full color, the 4097 is definitely a great camera. So next up is the active deterrence 8108. So that's the MTT AISMD AD camera. You guys might be familiar with this. It is a 4K 30 frames per second, has any feature that you could want on a camera. It's got night vision, two-way audio, sirens, strobe light, everything. So those are typically retail around $200, and this month we have them on sale for $130, so about 40% off. So if you guys want an active deterrence camera, the MTT 8108 active deterrence will be the one for you guys. So that about wraps it up for the sales. Again, I will put the code anniversary25 on the bottom for you guys. Just make sure you guys use that coupon code if you're looking for the 25% off discount. And finally, of course, we have the 2K wireless doorbell. Now, we've mentioned this a few times. It primarily works with the app, which again is free to download. It is our only wireless camera that we have at the moment, and it connects basically through your guys' home router. And the power is either powered through a USB or through the same mechanism that powers your guys' doorbell. So you would just have to take the plastic part off your doorbell. There's essentially 2 or 3 wires under there. You connect to this guy and boom, your guys are powered up and ready to go. So this is 2K, 20 frames per second. It has human detector on there, so it'll even know if someone's approaching your door before they even ring the doorbell. Of course, it's got two-way audio. You can answer in live view in real time using the application, and it's just an overall fantastic little doorbell camera. So if you guys need a wireless doorbell camera for any reason, these are available on the website right now. Okay, that's about all I got for the 2K wireless doorbell and the rest of the April updates. So it's kind of a short one for you guys this month. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to call the tech or the sales support line. We are here Monday through Friday to answer any questions you guys have. As always, like and subscribe down below. I really appreciate you guys liking and checking out the videos, and I super duper appreciate my subscribers. Please add yourself to that subscriber list if you're not already, and you guys have a fantastic day. Thank you for choosing Montavue.